What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I want to talk about BMR Suspension and my entire experience with them. As many of y'all know, if y'all been keeping up with my build, I have BMR rear lower control arms, and I've been running them for about, I'd say 6 or 7 months now. Ever since I've been drag racing, I had to upgrade from those stock, the rubber bushings they had in the stock lower control arms. So I went ahead and upgraded to the poly bushings that are in the BMR lower control arms, and recently I've had to deal with customer service, so I'm just letting y'all know my entire experience with them. Now, when I first started drag racing at the West Houston Muscle events out there in Sealy, Texas, at the drag strip right there behind Hennessy, I knew that I had to upgrade my suspension just because I was getting way too much wheel hop. I just knew I had to do something about the wheel hop, so I went ahead and got the rear lower control arms, and honestly, hey, they were working great. Up until about a month ago, I would notice that under minimal acceleration, the rear end would kind of shift around a little bit, and that was only due to actually my error. When I was installing the lower control arms, I didn't quite get 130 foot-pounds of torque, and the reason I didn't tighten it down as much as it needed to be was because I was just under my car and I was doing everything just on jack stands, and I actually didn't even have a torque wrench, so I didn't know exactly how much 130 foot-pounds was. I just tightened it until I thought it was good enough, which clearly wasn't the case. So when I noticed that the bushings was going out, I went ahead and went to latemodelrestoration.com just to see if I could order just a new set of bushings, and I didn't see anything. So I went ahead and emailed them. They told me that they just don't sell it, period, and to try BMR. So I went over to BMR's website, same thing, they don't sell them. So I emailed them and said, hey, is there any way I can buy, just, the bushings for the lower control arms, let them know everything that was going on. I even told them that I thought it was my fault that I didn't tighten it down quite enough, and that I didn't use the grease that they recommended. But Kelly, she emailed me back and said, hey, we'll go ahead and ship you just a new set of bushings because they aren't supposed to fail that quick. So big shout out to BMR for standing behind their product and just helping me out. That's really cool because, I just wanted to buy it. I just wanted a link that, I could buy, it might only be 20, 30 bucks for new bushings, but I just wanted to buy some, and the fact that they just sent them to me was awesome. It definitely stiffened up my suspension, and I really don't have any complaints. They were only 80, 90 bucks from Late Model Restoration, so if y'all are looking for a good set of rear lower control arms, hey, think about BMR. But when I got the bushings, I went ahead and got the correct grease I'm supposed to use, and I actually used a lift. Actually, Todd with the Dodge Demon, I did, I think, maybe 2 videos on his car so far. I went ahead and bought a torque wrench and did everything correct, and no complaints. My car's suspension is back the way it should be. But really, I just want to make this video just to say thank you to BMR, because that was awesome that y'all just sent me the new bushings, and y'all didn't give me a big hard time, because I've dealt with plenty of other companies, and they want proof, they want you send them the product, and it's just this big long hassle, and y'all got me those bushings in like 3 days, so thank you so much. And one other thing before this video is done is I wanted to let y'all know that this video, or this channel, is going to be just car stuff. I know that I've been posting a little bit of other stuff, like my supplement stuff, since I'm the manager of GNC. I have a ton of supplement knowledge. I've been making a few videos just telling y'all, just general questions a lot of people have when coming into GNC, but I'm actually going to make a new channel altogether that, that'll be all the supplement stuff, workout stuff, and also gaming stuff, since I know that, a little while ago I was posting some gaming videos. I want to start doing that again, but it's just going to be on a gaming channel. And I actually already have a gaming channel. I've been posting it probably about a year. It's called Bubba Blue 2, like Bubba Blue TOO, I believe. I'll put the links down in the comment, or I'll put the links down in the description. But I'm going to separate everything. This is just my car stuff, and I'll have my supplement stuff and my gaming stuff. And the only reason I'm doing this is because some of y'all have said that, when y'all get notifications saying that, Bubba Blue is posting a video, that, y'all want to see the car stuff instead of, the gaming or the supplement stuff. So thank you for letting me know, and if there's any other ways I can improve my channel, just let me know. Well, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.